We're gonna make epic fish tacos in the air fryer. Let's do it. Hi, I'm Laura Fuentes, and on my channel I share all the kitchen skills that moms just know, real life recipes, and the very best pancakes. Subscribe for more. We're making these fish tacos with whitefish, tilapia, because it's thinner and it's quicker. If you're using frozen fish, thaw it out first and then remove it from those individual bags. I place mine on top of paper towels so it can absorb any excess moisture, and then I'm gonna take a paper towel and make sure to dry up the tops. You want your fish to be nice and dry so it doesn't steam in the air fryer. It gets nice and crispy and cooked through. I'm gonna place these on the plate so I can season them. I'm gonna keep this super simple, not 100 seasonings. I'm using my favorite taco seasoning, which I'll link below for you so you can make a batch at home if you want, or use store-bought. I'm going to sprinkle it right over my fish on both sides. You're gonna measure with your heart, but I like it a nice thin coat all around. What's great about this is that there's not a specific recipe and amount. You're cooking for yourself. You could cook 2 or 3 pieces, as many as you can fit in the air fryer, which by the way, it's already preheating because you want those grates nice and hot. Let's place these in the air fryer all on a single layer, allowing for as much airflow as possible on top of that rack. Then I'm taking some olive oil spray and spraying the tops of my fish so it creates a nice crust. We're gonna cook these at 390 for 10 minutes. Around minute 7, I like to flip them over. They do break up a little, but that's okay. That way the second side is cooked just as well. Guys, these are ready. Check them out. You know they're done because the fish is nice and flaky. So I'm gonna remove these onto a plate. I like to cut these up into smaller pieces so it's easier to assemble my tacos. Now you can just put your tortillas on a plate. I'm using some crunchy slaw as the base, some finely chopped cilantro over the top. And now I'm just taking my cooked fish and placing it on top of my tacos. I've got this epic cilantro lime sauce that I'm gonna drizzle all over the top. It takes 2 minutes to make. I'll leave the recipe for you because it lasts a week in the fridge and you're gonna wanna drizzle it over everything. Check these out. They look so good. 10 minutes and you've got epic fish tacos in your air fryer. Everything you need is gonna be right below this video, and while you're here, watch this video next. See you next time.